to Craft with Bethany. My name is Bethany and you are in my craft room and we have a huge surprise. I am so excited. This is gonna be amazing. Are you ready? Are you seated? I'm not, and I'm about to fall over. That's how excited I am. I literally chased down the UPS guy today. So I'm sorry, Mr. UPS man, but thank you for delivering this beauty to me. All right, I'm gonna open this. This is from mycraftsource and Starcraft vinyl. So this is a brand new product coming out very soon that is going to rock the crafting world. I mean, blow your socks off, mind blowing. I cannot wait to use it. It's worth it. I promise it's worth it. You guys, this is the brand new Starcraft Solo. Sorry, I'm not gonna sing for you, but this right here is the brand new die cutting machine available on the market. It's coming out so soon. You know how shipping's been lately. Everything is backed up. It's taking forever. It is what it is, but I got my hands on one of these thanks to mycraftsource and Starcraft vinyl to get a little sneak peek, learn as much as I can so that when you do get to make a purchase and get one of these for yourself, which you are totally gonna wanna do, you are gonna have so much information already at your fingertips from my YouTube videos that I'm gonna be creating with this so that you can know exactly how to run this machine as soon as you get it. This is gonna be amazing. So why don't we take a quick second and take it out of the box, but I wanna tell you some of the things that this thing can do. So let's do that real quick. So I'm just gonna sit here real quick and just read off a couple things off the back of the box because there's a lot of information here that just gives you a quick snapshot of how amazing this machine is, and then we'll take it out of the box so you can see it firsthand because this picture right here is beautiful, but I can tell you right now it doesn't do it justice. And I have only seen videos of this machine and now I get to see it in person, so I know my mind is just gonna be blown, and so will yours. All right, so this Solo by Starcraft is super quiet and fast, has high resolution camera inside of it, precision cutting, precision print and cuts. I mean, flawless. It has an LED touchscreen. I just can't. Okay, the blades and attachments are included. You get a mat that's included, but you can also do matless cutting. You don't need a mat to cut vinyl with this, but you can get a mat if you want, to cut some small pieces. But if you're cutting quite a few things or just want to cut straight off the roll, which I personally like to do, this machine can do that. So you don't need a cutting mat, which is really nice. Really, really nice. And probably one of my favorite features, which is kind of silly, but I absolutely love it. It's true Starcraft style, is the LED lighting. Yes, I'm not talking about just this LED screen. This sucker right here lights up. You can change the colors. True beauty. You can totally set the mood in your craft room for crafting with this machine. This is just a few of the things. I'm gonna dive into more about this machine, but I can't wait any longer. Let's take it out of the box. This right here, Create with Unlimited Possibilities. Create is the name of the software that Starcraft came out with for this machine. And from what I've seen, it is light years above any other cutting machine software that's out there on the market. And I cannot wait to learn it and teach you all the things because it can do all the things. All right, so when you first open the machine or the box, you do get a mat, which is so nice. This is a bigger mat. This isn't like the standard, 12 by 12 mat that we're used to seeing. It is a longer mat, which is nice, but I love that this machine cuts without a mat. So we're just gonna set this aside for now. Let's see here. Here's another box. All right, so these are gonna be some of your accessories, your power cord. I believe this is the other part of the power cord. Yes, we got that. Here is a USB cord. So you can connect this directly to your computer with a USB, but I believe it is Wi-Fi, connects to your home or office Wi-Fi. You can do a USB flash drive as well, and it's wireless and it stands alone. So if you have a flash drive and you just plug it into the machine directly and your SVGs are on it, that's the nice thing about that LED screen, is you can just do all of your settings right there and you're good to go. How great is that? Again, they've thought of everything. Starcraft always does. All right, so we also have a couple other accessories in here. This is a pen tool, and it comes with a refill as well, which is nice. I love that this is very simple, and it just plugs right into where the blades go in the same housing. It's different housing, but same spot. So let's see here. So here is our blade housing right here. And this is so cute. I love it. And then we have 3 blades here. So once I learn a little bit more about all of these details, I will share it with you, but we're just taking it out of the box today. We're not gonna dive in deep today. We're just enjoying this. It's like Christmas morning over here. All right, now let's get this beauty out of the box. Okay, I'm so nervous. Okay, it's big. I feel like I did that pretty well. Oh my goodness, hold on, I gotta sit down. I gotta sit down for this. I can't believe it. This is a solid machine. I am not joking. It is beautiful. It is aluminum. It is solid. Like, this is a commercial grade to me, like a professional machine. So if you have a crafting business, this is the machine for you. Now, the first thing you may notice is this sucker is big. This is bigger than the Cricuts and the Silhouettes. Cricuts and Silhouettes can only cut up to 12 inches wide. This thing does 16. 16 inches wide without a mat. I'm so excited for this. This is gonna be a total game changer in the crafting world, okay? We're gonna dive in deep in this, but I think the next thing I need to do is plug it in and turn off the lights. Yep, we're gonna light it up. Okay, so I have it plugged in. It plugs in right here on the side, not on the back, on the side, where it should be. And I'm just gonna hit this button. Y'all, it is loading. Look at these blue lights. How awesome is that? But we can change these lights. So I think we need to pick a different color. I had to go with pink. I mean, come on, it's beautiful. You can change these colors just by sliding this bar. And there is like endless color options. Like, this is just so fun. I absolutely love it. But if you don't want the lights on, you can just turn them all off. But let's have some fun. We're gonna turn them on and have a little party while we're crafting. Guys, this machine is amazing. I can't even get my words out. I'm so excited. I have been waiting all week for this to arrive. Happy Friday. I'm so thrilled to be accessing this machine and bringing you all the information about it so that when you get yours, you're ready to go and can start crafting right away. So stay tuned for little sneak peeks of the new software called Create. This is the Starcraft Solo. This machine will be available through mycraftsource, which you can use my discount code DEALSWITHBETHANY to get a discount on this machine when it does come available. They are currently shooting for an October 31st launch date, but again, that could change based on shipping and all of that, and those are things that are just out of our control right now, as we know. So we're gonna be patient, but it's okay to get a little excited like I am. But if you have any questions about this machine, just send me a message. I'll be happy to answer everything I possibly can. And if I don't know, I'll find out for you and we'll figure it out together because we're really excited about this amazing new machine that is truly gonna change the crafting world. And I'm so excited to be a part of that. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and find me on Instagram and Facebook for more information on the Starcraft Solo available at mycraftsource. Bye, guys. Stay